Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Avalanche, AVAX, from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Avalanche cryptocurrency in your Coinbase wallet. If not, you'll need to buy some or transfer it from another source. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Next, you'll need the recipient address from Crypto.com. Head over to your Crypto.com app, go to your Wallet section, and select the AVAX wallet. Copy the deposit address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the network. Make sure it's the correct one for Avalanche, like the Avalanche C chain. Now, back in Coinbase, paste that address into the To field. Select AVAX as the asset you're sending, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review any fees. Crypto transactions aren't free, so keep an eye on network costs. They can vary based on congestion. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor setup for extra security. After you send it, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it arrives in your Crypto.com wallet, you'll get a notification. Awesome, you're done. Remember, crypto is exciting but comes with risks, like potential hacks or wrong addresses. Always double-check everything and consider using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that digital future. See you next time.